Comfortable. Looking good. Nice. Alright, just making sure. Alright, we got a little locking nuts. Let go on these. 1, 2, 3, 4. See what it is so far. What we're doing now, this is part of the rotation kit. PTO kit. This is the part you're gonna need if you want a snow blower or a broom. Maybe a debris blower attachment if they're available. Not sure. But I do know this, if you have an attachment that needs to spin, this is what you're gonna need. Oh yeah, we got them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, you don't have to go crazy. Good. Alright, next to handle. It's over here. So here are the rest of the parts as well. Grab some goodies now. I think I might need those. Keep these on hand for now. I need to install these bushings here. You've seen from videos past. Reverse. I'm gonna push right through is what you're gonna do. There we go. Look at that. Push right in, all the way in. My fingers. There it is. Got a little piece folded in half. Let's get this other side done. Reverse. Oops. Oh, right in. Right in there. Come on, come on. I know you can do it. Now we're gonna need 2. Allen head bolts, lock nuts, and there's another one. Alright, lock nuts, there's two oddball looking washers here. Not those ones, but those ones. And we got the collars for the... Oh, don't do this to me. There it is. There isn't there. Double reach around. Oh, wrong hole full. Yep. Come on. I did it. Wash lock nut. Washer and the locking nut. Alright, the little cylinder makes it difficult. So maybe we can sneak in this way. I did it. Let's tighten those up. Alright, we did good. Next step. Next step. Alright, let's install the Lovejoy. Alright, let's put all these bushings together and make sure we have everything. If we're gonna need those, there's that. Should be another one of these. There it is. It's gonna go in there. That's gonna go in there. That's getting that. That's getting that. I need to assemble. It's like everything's a reminder. And let's just carefully square these up.